The values-based budget is a budget based on what actually gives you value in your life. The budget says they will still pay your necessaries, but it doesn't have that much focus on it. It will focus more on what you do with the rest of your money, which normally goes to having fun or savings. For some people it is hard to stick to a budget because they don't like numbers and they can have a hard time figuring it out. But with a values-based budget, you will instead give each of your spendings an emotional value for how much they mean to you and how much they will make your life better in the future. By giving all your spendings an emotional value, it is easier to figure out what values you actually have and what is important for you. This way you can rank your spendings for the one with the highest emotional value first to the lowest and see how much each of them will cost. As you then compare the spending with how much spare money you have left each month, then you can see how far your money will reach and what you are able to get out of them. This way you know that you will always have money left each month for the things that mean the most to you, as they are ranked the highest. Pros of a budget is that you will feel more in touch with yourself and what your purpose in life is, and you will feel that you are actually on the right path to reach your goal. You will feel that you have a higher impact on what your money is actually spent on, and you will thereby feel that you are more in control of your personal finance. Cons of a budget is that you will need to have some spare money each month to be able to use this budget, which doesn't make it ideal for those with lower incomes until they have lowered their expenses. It might also be hard to actually figure out what means the most to you and what you will rank the highest in the future. But if you're able to learn about yourself what means the most to you, then it will help you a lot in the future. My name is Daniel and I'm here to help people with personal finance. So if you're interested in more topics like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. That way you will be notified when we release a new video which might help you on your journey.